This is Crowd Toolkit, an Unreal Engine plugin for moving thousands of agents at once. It handles pathfinding, avoidance and formations. I will show you how you can go from an empty map to a fully moving crowd. First, open the Quick Add menu and search for Crowd Toolkit actor. This actor controls the entire crowd simulation. In the Details panel, you'll find settings for agent size, speed, formations, navigations and avoidance. We'll keep the default settings for now. Right now the crowd is empty, so let's create a spawner. In the content browser, create a basic actor blueprint. Inside the blueprint, add Get Crowd. This gives us access to the Crowd Toolkit actor in the level. Add Spawn Agent Grid. This node needs a starting position, a number of columns and rows, and the spacing between agents. I'll use 10 columns, 10 rows and increase the spacing slightly. Connect Get Actor Location to Origin. Now wherever we place this blueprint, the crowd will spawn there. Place the spawner in the map. Next, select the Crowd Toolkit actor. Open the debug section and enable Draw Agents. We haven't added any meshes yet. This lets us see where the agents are. Connect the spawn logic to begin play, compile, and now we have a 10 by 10 grid. Now we need to tell the agents where to go. In a second blueprint, use event tick, call Get Crowd and add Set Agents Target. This node needs a list of agent indices. Use Get Agents to get every active agent. Then set the target position to the world origin. Now the crowd will keep moving toward the same point. Crowd Toolkit handles movement, but it doesn't choose how your agents look. It gives you their position and rotations, and you decide how to render them. For this example, I'll create another actor blueprint with an instant static mesh component. This lets us draw the same mesh many times efficiently. On begin play, get the crowd and bind the custom event to onAgentSpawned. Whenever new agents are created, this event gives us their indices. We will also add instant static mesh component so that we can render them. And let's set it to a shape cylinder I've prepared in this project. Now we just need to add instances to our instant static mesh. To place the meshes correctly, use Get Agent Transforms. This gives us the position and direction of each new agent. Let's test it. Okay, it works, but it looks terrible. The default cube is much bigger than the space between our agents, so all the cubes overlap. To fix that, scale the transforms down before adding the instances. That's much better. The meshes aren't following the agents yet. On event tick, call batch update instances transforms and connect get agent transforms again. Leave filter indices empty to get every agent. Also, make sure to disable collision on instant static mesh for the ground snapping to work correctly. Finally, let's add some obstacles. This map has a few walls and a Navmesh bounce volume. Now we can see the agents correctly avoiding the wall obstacles. Links and documentation are below. See you in the next one.